To strengthen our external rotators of the shoulder, we'll do Cuban rotations. You can do these with 2 arms or 1 at a time. We'll lower 4, 3, 2, 1, and go up for 1, 2. Not jerky, not explosive. Slow, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. Try to keep the elbows up as you descend, and then keep them there as you ascend. Do one more with 2 arms, and then I'll show you how you can do it 1 arm at a time if you want to give one shoulder a little more focus. And you can do this with dumbbells, with weights, with soup cans, with water bottles. Do it with 1 arm. I would sit like this, rest the elbow right on the knee, and lower slowly 4, 3, 2, 1, and up for 1, 2. So again, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. So for these I have 5-pound weights in my hands. It's not too heavy for me, but I like to start very light when I'm doing these. Even just the beginning, it might feel like a little stinging or pinching. I like to start with 1 to 3 pounds, or just even body weight, just the weight of my arms to go up and down. And then eventually 5s, 10s, I'll probably do 15s or 20s for my working weight. Super important exercise for shoulder health and longevity. Enjoy.